Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. I got broads in Atlanta. Just into lean and a Fanta. Pandas, welcome to the stream. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Welcome, welcome. I'm Bye Money. We stream here live every single day, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Pandas, beware. We got news at 9:45. We got news at 9:45. Pandas, PMI services, PMI manufacturing. Get ready, pandas. It could move the markets. It could move the markets. I've seen it happen a couple times. Also seen it do nothing. So just please be aware. We also have a full moon, so if that affects you, please be careful. Good morning, guys. Good morning. It's weird, but if you can find any patterns, even though it's not causation, it could just be pure correlation. It doesn't matter. Whatever you can get to gain an edge, whatever you can do to gain an edge, that's all that matters. Whatever works practically here. Oh, I like this better. Overshoot to undershoot. That looks better to me. Overshoot to undershoot. Push back up. Good morning, pandas. Welcome to the stream. Make sure you scalp that like button. Make sure you drop a GM in the chat. Also, drop your location. Let me know where you guys are from. It's always fun. It's always fun. I personally like it to get new ideas to figure out where to travel. Love traveling. Love visiting new places. Love seeing new sights. Love. When I travel, what I like to do is I like to do what the locals do. Sometimes I just like to go walk around, get lost a little bit. Don't depend on the reviews. I like to do that. I like to feel like as if I live there, and try to figure out the hidden gems, make it your own. LG Williams from Ohio. Oh no, I heard weird things happen in Ohio. Good morning, guys. Good morning. How'd you guys do yesterday? How'd you guys do yesterday? How was your trading yesterday? Was it good? Bad? Tough? Was yesterday the easy day for you? Were you plus or minus? Galicia, Spain. I've never been to Spain. A lot of my friends go to Portugal. I think the flights are like just super cheap to Portugal for some reason. Toronto, a lot of Canadians here. Welcome, welcome. No matter where you're from, you are welcome here. No matter what skin color, no matter what species you are, it does not matter. You are welcome here to enjoy the show. We are approaching the previous day's high. It could be a double top, not sure. It's really kind of overextending here. It feels like a trading range, right? Big down, big up. Good morning, pandas. It might take this big mom, maybe. I needed to. I would like it if it kind of hung out here for a little bit, consolidated, and then popped up. But right now, as it looks, it seems overextended. It seems a little sketchy. Um, it might be one of those ones I'll take. If it does hit it at second attempt, if it fails, I'll take it at a second attempt. One of those type situations. Daily chart's important if you want to take big mamas. It's our first pullback on this series down. And from what it looks like we're going to have another leg down. I mean, that's what it seems like. The weekly chart, we're just riding the 20 MA. So you can create a two-legged pullback. You can create something like this. Which means on a daily chart, even if we go up, it means we can come back down. We can test the 20 MA. That most likely trigger the first entry on the weekly chart. Something like that. So we still have a lot more room to go up. We do have news at 9:45. I may take it with news. I don't know. I'm still debating. I don't know. I like taking big mamas. Maybe I'll take it with 2 contracts. Just take it easy. Take it really easy, pandas. Take it easy. I would like some consolidation. It's a little overextended. I need even a little pullback will be nice. Coming back up to it. Pandas, just be aware we got news at 9:45. Hope you guys are doing well. Let me say good morning to Come On Pandas. SK, good morning. Black Light, welcome. Pandas, as long as you don't tilt, there's still a chance. As Jim Carrey says. So you're saying there's still a chance. Jeff, good morning. LG Willie, good morning. Avalon, welcome. Lou the Writer, welcome. Charles Wilson, welcome. Fsen, welcome. From Alberta. LG Willie from Ohio. F Zen. Green, barely. Hey, better than being red. Green is green. Charles Wilson, good morning. Kid Poker, good morning. Mike Richardson, welcome. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. Let's get this bamboo, pandas. I will say, though, the big news, pandas, is going to be Friday. That's the big one. That's the big PCE. Kid Poker starting PA number 45. Those are junior numbers. You got to get those numbers way up. Those are rookie numbers. Tate, good morning. Welcome. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome to the stream. Welcome, everybody. I think I'm going to wait for news, pandas, to be honest, before I trade. I think I'm going to wait for news. John K, I found giant bones in my backyard yesterday. I don't know where you're going with that, but congratulations on it. And the moral of the story is, don't go on tilt. That's the moral of the story. All right, pandas. Remember, pandas, the most important thing right now, it's not what happened yesterday. It's not what happened last week. It's not what happened last month. It's not what happened to you when you were a child. None of that matters. The only thing that matters right now is your very next trade. That's the most important thing right now. Dom T Poo 3 PAs yesterday on tilt already. Hey, we're gonna get it, pandas. We're gonna get it. BBM. Make sure you use code BBM for 80% off. I mean, what can I say? If you blow a PA, you get 80% off anyway. Market's about to open 1 minute. They charge just this. I mean, it has more room to go up to 20 May. It's probably another lay down. It's unsure what's gonna happen. You do got a wick here, so a little hesitant because we're definitely in a downtrend right now. This is currently in pullback territory. 30 more seconds. Remember, pandas, there's news at 9:45. Again, I may not take a trade until then. I may not take a trade till then. We'll see. We'll see, pandas. We'll have to see here. Market just opened. Let's see what happens. Okay. Two-legged pullback. Two-legged pullback floating in midair though. Don't like that. You have to come back to the 20 May if I even want to have a chance here. We do got to overshoot to an undershoot. And a new high. Spike in channel currently.
10,000 tick trap.
Hmm. 20 EMA, second entry long. Do I like it? Potentially could be a decent trade. Some of those trades, I don't think I can even take the reversal.
10,000 tick trap.
It's a good looking signal bar though. It's a really good looking signal bar. We're in this trade. Let's go for 1-to-1. It's a really good looking signal bar. Going for the 1-to-1 here, pandas. It's a good looking signal bar. We gotta go for the 1-to-1. It's the only way these trades are worth it. Ooh. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. I love it when you call me Big Papa. Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player. Wow. Overlapping. 3 bars are completely overlapping. Let's get another push up. Give me my 1-to-1, please. Oh, one tick.
Tick trap.
That's unfortunate. Missed my target by 1 tick. What did we learn from yesterday? Stick to the plan. Just stick to the plan. We do have news at 9:45. One, two, three, four, five, 6 bars overlapping completely. Absolutely ridiculous. We'll just have to take the hit if we get hit here, pandas. I mean, I gotta hold it here. I don't mind holding it. We got the 20 EMA protecting us. We also got our trend line protecting us. High or low here. Coming off our trend line, and also the 20 EMA again. Terrible looking signal bar though. And it's completely overlapping. Maybe I should skunk this guy. Wait for news. Oof. 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 Couldn't make the 1-to-1, pandas. We tried, pandas. We tried our best. We stuck to the plan. We try to stick to the plan. I mean, you got to go for the 1-to-1 right there, pandas, in my opinion. It's all good, though. It's all good. We missed it by 1 single tick, though. We take the appropriate stop loss. I think it is what it is. Nice looking signal bar, strong uptrend. Off the 20 MA, even off our trend line a little bit. And we could have got 2 points if we were looking for just 2 points. But we're looking for that 1-to-1. And unfortunately, we missed it today. Pandas, don't worry.
Luther asks, do the 1 day pass evals just turn into regular evals after the first day, and are they 80% off every month?
It is 80% off every month. The rules for the 1 day pass is a little bit, it just depends. So if you pass your eval in, within the promo, so let's say like you pass it in 1 day, let's say you just pass it in 3 days, whatever you pass it in, let's say you pass it within the promo, then your evals are passed and you're able to turn them to funded accounts. Now let's say the promo ends. Your accounts are still passed and you can turn them to funded accounts, but if you take a trade on them and you're less than 10 days, you have less than 10 trading days, then your accounts will go back to regular. I know that sounds really confusing. I should make like a chart of like describing like all of the scenarios you can have with the 1 day pass. But basically, if you pass during the 1 day promo, then you can get funded. But if you pass and then the promo ends and then you take a trade and you're less than 10 trading days, then your accounts, your evals turn to regular 7 days, not 10 days, it's not 10 days anymore. 7 days. Your evals turn back to regular 7-day to pass evals. Let's say that you don't pass your evals, and then so after the promo, they turn back to 7 days, right? So in this time period is the only time period, like you have to like think of it like in terms of like logistically how they do it. Basically on their end, they're just saying if you pass in 1 day in this time period, then you pass. But then they turn that off. They turn that rule off when the promo ends, and so it goes back to it. Basically, their rules check if you pass in 7 days after they turn a promo off. I know that's confusing, pandas. I might not be explaining it as best as I can, but I hope that makes sense.
Hugh, Apex is about to go to just make sure
I think that you can message them after 15th, right?
if it's 1 through the 5th, you can message them, I think, on the 15th. I don't know. You should have messaged them already. I would have messaged them. Lou the writer says, okay, so basically I just need to trade every day just in case. Yeah, I mean, if you don't think you can pass like before the promo ends, then might as well just get your 10 days in. Yeah, pretty much, yeah. But I would say, like, to be honest, you don't need to do that until the end of the promo. The promo ends on the 30th. So, okay, yeah, actually, you can start now. If you don't think you can pass within the promo, then, you know, you can start, you know, flipping your micros now. It's completely choppy. 10,000 tick chart
trap.
shows how choppy we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 overlapping bars. Yeah, are the funds removed from your account? I think that matters. If they're already moved, then I think you're safe. I think you're fine. Okay, new high created here. News in about 5 minutes. Yeah, I would follow up with them. If they already removed the funds from your accounts, I'll follow up with them. 5 minutes. April to okay. All right. At least they're like responding and stuff. You know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. I have never heard anyone not get a payment from Apex though. It has not yet happened. Jeffrey Hall, good morning. Oh, there's numerous. All right. Well, we'll see. We shall see. Trap trade to the long side, just sitting on my pause here. I don't like it. If anything, I think we're going sideways. I think we're getting choppy. Come back down here. Plus news in 5 minutes. So some people did get paid. Some people didn't. Some people did. Interesting. About to trigger Big Mama here. A little overextended though, and news is about to drop. I don't like it if Big Mama triggers before news here. I don't like that at all. Because that means if I enter, I'm part of this hold it until news ends. One more minute into news. We're going for it, pandas. We're going for it. News. Interesting. Oh, that's some weak news. Doesn't quite pop up yet. Interesting. That's some weak news. I don't know if I want to stick with this. Alright, we're in. Let's see what happens. Could get a little volatile here. It's Big Mama.
Target
Let's go,
filled.
baby. We did it! We did it, pandas! We did it! Big Mama, classic Big Mama with news for the volatility. Got 5 points. What was a 1-to-1 risk reward there? I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. We did it! Big Mama, classic setup on this channel, invented by yours truly. The Big Mama trade. Your mama so big.
10,000 tick trap.
Maybe second entry long here. I don't know. YL. I'm so glad. I'm really glad you're taking advantage of your membership. 'Cause I'm not gonna like ever like stop you from saying what you want to say. Second entry long. It's floating.
10,000 tick
Can I say I
trap.
don't like it? It's just floating midair. It does show how strong we are, though. I'd rather wait. Ooh, pops up. Okay. I'm glad I skipped that trade. I mean, in general, even if it works out, I'm glad I skipped it just because it's not really touching any support here. If you want to go long, this might be a better long to take. Only problem is your 10,000 tick chart looks like this right now. Big pop up. Just breaking this high. 5-minute chart. Also, perhaps approaching the top of this channel here. Yeah, we still got more room to the high of it. Nathan says, well, Hugh, I hope they pay out because I just passed another eval and we'll have 4 PS tomorrow. Let's go. The daily chart, honestly, I mean, this could reverse right now. I kind of want another leg down here before going long if I want to go long here. Okay. 5-minute maybe always in long. Could make sense. We do touch the bottom of the trading range here. Yeah, give me that one more leg down before I go long here. Basically, I want another 2-legged pullback here. Okay. Second entry long here. I don't know. Maybe I should look for the trap. Look for a reversal in this area. That's a small baby risk. Okay. No longer interested in any type of long right now. Maybe a failed second entry long. It's a failed breakout here. Feels like ooh, we're dripping pandas. We're dripping here. We're flushing. Definitely flushing here. Give me a failed second entry long. I'll consider it. I don't want an outside bar though. Give me a decent pushback up here. All right. Okay. Okay. Don't mind if I do. Don't mind if I do. Don't mind if I do the doing the do. Shall we dance? Shall we dance? Even better. Ooh, strong bull bar. Ooh. I don't know about this one anymore, pandas. We'll see.
It looks like it wants to like pop up. It keeps like vibrating to the upside here. Keeps wiggling to the upside. We'll try. I mean, it's a small risk. I don't think it's that big of a deal, to be honest. Such a small risk here. As it stands, at least. As it stands. Ooh. It's such a small baby risk. But such a bad signal bar. It's a baby, teeny baby risk here. Okay, the risk is not... Oh, still baby risk. It's a baby risk. For potential big swing back down. Okay. No longer baby risk. It's an adult risk now. It's big risk. No longer interested. Moving on. Man, this is weird. It's weird. Pandas, don't forget, today is the full moon. Today is the full moon, careful. Okay. Okay. Second entry long triggers 10,000 tickets. The ugliest second entry long you can imagine, but it is a second entry long. A, B, C. Dum, 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 dum. A, B, C. I mean, this is your signal bar. It is horrendous. It's not bouncing off any support. Watch it work out, though. Watch it work out somehow. Some miraculous way. These ugly steps, for some reason, work out sometimes. But it doesn't mean you should take it. I mean, you can take it, but you gotta really consider your risk reward. Gotta really consider your risk reward there in that situation. Bad trade to take. Alright, pushing up. I mean, 5-minute chart is still pretty bullish. Just multiple bull bars in a row. I know it had a kind of deep pullback here, but that's an inside bar. That's an OI pattern there, breaking to the upside with an always in long type situation, right? Bulls just came in right when that closed and they bought it with limit orders. They bought the market, essentially. Dom T just got my PAs back. I lost yesterday. Let's go. Congratulations. Keep pushing back down. Interesting. I don't know. This price action is weird. The swings are big up and down, and it's choppy on the higher time frames, right? 10,000 tick chart is very choppy. Like, that's not very clean price action. Neither was it here. Jeez. As in, I'm not sure how strong this uptrend is. The price action is telling me it can go up big and down big.
Probably one more leg up. I don't know. Yeah, Blacklight, thoughts and prayers. Second entry long. Um, jeez, this is so choppy. So many overlapping bars. Okay, second entry long does trigger here. It's a good looking signal bar, but the price action is so choppy. Ticks you in and reverses immediately. Wowzers. Try to take a reversal back to the bottom of the trading range here. It may be... Ooh, okay. Gain some movement here. You never like when it's yellow. You never like when it's orange. You never like it when your order is orange, pandas. It's never a good thing when your order is orange and you can't do anything about it. There it is. Alright, I thought we could get a nice little move down here. Guess not. It's just too choppy. Very confusing, pandas. Very confusing. Risk is very teeny, so I don't mind holding this for decent reward for an okay setup here. But it's just too choppy. It's too choppy for traps where it does a double trap here. Traps this way, traps this way, traps this way. It's just too confusing, pandas. This is like the full moon trading we've been talking about. Stay away, pandas. Be careful. Be safe, everybody. Be careful today, pandas. We got the full moon trading today. Takes me out and goes back down. Jeez. Limit order market starting to form here. I might as well try to jump in on the limit orders now at this point. I just might as well buy down here with limit orders. Right, it's just a limit order market currently. Sell up here. Sell one tick above the previous candle's high. I'm gonna buy down here, see what happens. I'm gonna sell and buy here. It's just too confusing. The limit order market currently forming. Yeah, I really hope all the best, man. I hope it's nothing. That is scary stuff. Completely limit order market right now. Let's see if we take advantage of one of these limit orders. Break beneath this pivot. Okay. Might have missed it. I got a little too greedy trying to get too far down. It might come all the way up now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 overlapping bars pretty much in this trading range. I just put in the bottom of the trading range on the trading range indicator. That's why I have it here. And unfortunately, I missed it by one tick. I missed my entry by one single tick, pandas. I missed it by one tick. Okay, in this trade.
Target filled.
All right, make those 2 points real quick. Limit order trading, pandas. I never do it, but the market's basically begging me for me to start going in limit orders right now. The market's basically begging me at this point. Said, buy my money, please. Enter limit orders, please. And I said, okay. It's another limit order here. Not as inclined to take this one. I'm a little bit scared on this one, though, Benders. I'm a little bit scared on this one. I don't know. Should I just trade my trading range indicator here? No, I want to take a pop up here. Oh, this is scary. It might break out here. I really hope it doesn't break out and make a new high. Double tops here. I'm scared. I'm scared. Pandas, I'm so scared. I don't know. I'm so scared right now. I don't know how to trade limit orders, but I feel like we're in a limit order market, so I'm going to try to keep taking advantage of this trading range here. I don't know what I'm doing.
Target.
I'm too scared. I'm scared, pandas. I can't do it. I got little shriveled up cojones. I got shriveled up cojones. I couldn't hold it. I didn't know what I was doing. The higher time frames make it look like it's about to pop off here. Right, the 5-minute chart looks like it's about to pop off. Basically, second leg up here. 10,000 tick chart. I mean, we're still in an uptrend, panda, so it's way more scary to enter limit orders. On the top side here. It's just too scary. Look how scary that is. Jeez. Fat fish, exactly. That's what it is. That's the actual size. That's not even, that's the actual size. If you guys don't know what fat fish is saying, you guys are missing out. If you think that's like a face that he just drew, it's not. In the chat, that is not a face. That is something else. To scale his actual size. I don't know. Should I go short here? I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't have enough evidence to go short right now. It's kind of popping up. It's a kind of a spiking channel. Spike channel. Black Eyed Gypsy. That is some. Are those eyes? Those are some oddly shaped breastises. Pandas. If quizzes were quizzicals, what are tests? Test icicles? So close. Ah, pandas. I see. This is why I was scared for that limit order trade. I was scared. Don't mess with the higher lows on these strong uptrends. Don't mess with the higher lows. It's a little teeny spiking channel here. I don't know, pandas. I don't know what to make of this. Should I just go long here? It is the full moon. You gotta be careful. You gotta be careful. I'm more inclined to go short just because I feel like we're in trading range, but I don't know, pandas. Are we in a trading range? Are we? Woo! Alright. Decent push down there. Wow, this is the most trending trading range I have ever seen. Like the higher time frames, it's like it's in an uptrend. Look at this. It's just uptrend. Like if I were to draw like, we're basically stuck in this channel or this this channel here. But 2000 tick chart, it just looks, I don't know. Something like this? I don't know, pandas. Could be a wedge top on the 5-minute chart, also 10,000 tick. I wouldn't mess with it just because this could be an uptrend day. I don't know. Second entry long, pandas. Second entry long. Could be a double top here for the failed second entry long. I'm thinking the failed second entry long at this point,
10,000
pandas.
tick trap.
Is that crazy? Failed second entry long now? Is that crazy? Ooh, second entry long. Above the 20 MA now. Right, the fail second entry long here it has to go quite a ways to trigger, which might be what it's doing here. Maybe, possibly. We're above the 20 MA. That's a problem. We can't go short here because we're above the 20 MA right now. It's difficult to go short here. Sitting on my pause, pandas. Very confusing. Looks like it's popping off here. Okay. Makes a new high. Okay. Big push down right after it makes a new high. It's really confusing, pandas. Here's an outside bar on a 10,000 tick chart. Strong push down right now. 10,000 tick, right? Goes down, goes up and back down in one bar, pandas. Actually crazy. That's actually crazy what just happened. All the price action. I'm reloading just because I have nothing else to do. I'm just sitting on my pause. I don't know what's happening. Very confused. Still a limit order market in my opinion. Oh, I don't know, pandas. Just sitting on my paws. Hopefully you're making more bamba than I am.
$10,000 tick trap.
Okay. Okay. Lower high here. Interesting. Wowzers. What is happening right now? This is wild. Second entry long triggers, hidden second entry long. Still limit order market in my opinion. I'm going to take the 5-minute reversal here. The 5-minute reversal. 1, 2, 3 hits. Right, wedge top, another wedge top. 2 wedge tops in a row. Wedge top here, wedge top here. I'm going to just take a short here. I might not get much. I'm not going to go for a 1-to-1. I might go for like 2 points or something like that. Very calm. This is wild. But they're basically synonyms at this point. Cinnamon. What is happening? Alright, are we pushing up now? No clue. This is just crazy. I'll take the trap trade if we get it. Not good enough for me. I'll keep it on the 5-minute chart. The next reversal. It's such I mean, it's still moving up, pandas. It's still moving up, pandas. What is going on? It's still going up. This is wild. Absolutely insane still. This price action. Look at this. Look how choppy it was right here. It's actually crazy. What is happening? Second entry long. Triggers. Fails. That trap traps. That trap traps. Double trap again. Right. Same thing that happens here happens here. You get double traps.
feel like I gotta go short.
10,000 tick trap.
10,000 tick makes a inside bar, a strong bull bar, inside bar. Market's doing something wild like this. Wow. I mean, I don't know, Pan. I don't know what to say. I don't know if I could go along there. It's just confusing. I mean, it's an uptrend, Pandas. Like, even though it's choppy, it's an uptrend. It's a bull move right now. I've asked, how do you guys deal with tilt? I get it most when I see a trade or get out of one and then it works after me. Or right after. Yep. Yep. That is one of the most tilting things. When you're in a trade, especially, you skunk it and then it goes exactly where you thought it was going to go. After it wiggles around for like 30 minutes. I think the most tilting thing for me is probably just like these slow markets. Choppy markets. Slow and choppy markets.
Wow. Okay, we're finally pushing down a little bit here.
$10,000 tick trap.
This is crazy, Pandas. I don't know. The moves down are so strong. 3 bear bars like this, like moves down, like very strong bear, like big bear bar here. Just no follow through after it. It's really hard to stop yourself from tilt because the mechanism that stops you from tilting is broken. Right, the mechanism that's supposed to like give you self control. That's basically what tilting is. It breaks that mechanism. So it's like hard to be reasonable when when you go on tilt essentially makes renders your reasonableness useless. It's the hardest thing. It's like it's like it's like AIDS. It's like AIDS for your emotions. AIDS attacks the actual blood cells. Right, the white like AIDS doesn't kill you. It's like catching pneumonia or catching a cold after you have AIDS. That's what kills you. It's just like that. It attacks like the the main component that stops the actual disease. That's what tilting is. It's like AIDS for your emotions. Crafters, I keep a stuffed koala next to me, so when I feel emotional, you strangle it. Best way to get over tilt is just get better. Be a good trader. That's the best way.
$10,000 tick trap.
Whoa. Pushes right back up. Strong bear bars, right? Strong bear move, and then just goes right back up. Absolutely incredible. It's pure limit order market, pandas. I might as well sell it here. I might as well just sell it here. I might as well. If we're in a limit order market, I might as well just sell it here. I'll go for a 1-to-1 or something. Just in a straight up limit order market, and we're at the top of the limit. Or that. Let's skunk it. I don't know. It's tricky. I don't know. Panda wants to make of this. That's the thing. Limit order market. I mean, you should be going. You should be going short up here. You should be going short up here. Like reading this right now, you should be going short. But it's just so hard to go short on a super strong uptrend. Fatfish actually says something interesting. All tilting is an unresolved emotional attachment that's inconsistent with the overall strategy. That's deep. I thought you were going to start talking about my childhood for a second. All tilting is unresolved emotional damage done when you're a child. That's what you're going to say. Some guy. Yeah, I mean, frustration, tilting, that all comes from you having an expectation and the expectation not being met. That's basically it. It's a control issue. That's what tilting is. When you have you want to have control over something, and then when you don't have actual control over it, it makes you angry, reckless. You gotta let it go. Gotta let it go. I'm glad I got out of that trade. It's ended up pushing up pretty hard. Tilting comes from kids in high school calling you fat fish. I thought tilting is when you're sitting to one side. Okay. What is tilt? What is the best way to get over tilt, pandas? This is a rocket ship right now. This 5 minute is not even close to touching the 20 EMA right now. And it doesn't look like it has any plans to touch the 20 EMA. It is a limit order market, but we're breaking to the upside now, so the limit order market may end soon. Who knows? Emotional aids. Tilting. Emotional aids. What in the world? What is happening on this channel? What are the things what are we discovering here? Things on this channel have been said that have never been said ever. I hope you guys are enjoying it. What in the world, Panda? What's going on? What's going on? Whew. I think the bears are capitulating. What's my daily chart saying? Jeez. How do we look? Are we hitting like... Oh, we're hitting like majors. Are we filling any gaps? 5 minute chart. Let's see if we're filling any gaps here. There's a bunch of gaps in the 5 minute chart that we still have not yet filled. Okay, this gap is filled. These gaps are filled. Mars to move up. Gap is filled. This gap is not yet filled on the 5 minute chart. We're not really close to it, but basically this gap needs to get filled, I guess. That's around the 52. This market has absolutely just lost it. What a crazy looking day. Look at the 5 minute chart. Look how crazy this day looks right now. Does that look crazy? That looks strange to me. It's painful. It's always in long right now. 5 minute chart. The Monkey Man Classic. Monkey trades. Trap. Just ain't right says trap. Might as well. We got nothing else to do, pandas. Might as well go for this trap. Always in long 5-minute chart. No longer interested.
$10,000 tick trap. $10,000 tick trap.
Classic quote. Oh man, Monkey Man is actually, he needs to blow up. That guy needs to blow up. I don't know why he hasn't yet. Morgan wants, I'm trying my best to stay disciplined one contract trading. It's difficult because you think about making more. Yeah, 100%. 100%. Impatience gets me all the time. Second entry long here. Bad looking signal bar overlapping. I think it feels second entry long. I guess. I don't know. Feels weird trying to go short on a super strong uptrend. I think what makes a difference is, yeah, I mean, I have issues with that too. I guess I'll take a fail second entry long here. Probably last trade of the stream today. Hmm. 5 minute chart created this inside bar here. A nasty move up. Took a long time, but ends up making the 1 to 2 or the 1 to 1. I don't know if I really want to take it with a bar that looks like this. And a 20 EMA rising up now. Tougher to take like this. We do have an undershoot and overshoot looking for new low. Quite possibly create an inside bar on the 5 minute chart. I mean, it did already create an inside bar. Might create an OII pattern on the 5 minute chart. We have about 2.5 minutes left on this candle. Looks a bit bullish to me actually right now. Couple closes above the 20 EMA here in this trade. Small risk, 2 point risk. Maybe worth reversing here. I don't know. Get stopped out. Too quick. Get slippage. Get 1 tick slippage. Yeah, dumb trade, I guess, at the end. Yeah, I was waiting for it, the trap for a while. I got it and trapped me. Double trap again. I'm gonna attempt that one more time. One more try. One more try. Push down here. One more attempt here to go short. Make a new low here.
Five-minute trap.
Target filled.
I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. We did it. We did it, Pandas. We did it. All right, Pandas. I think that's all I can do today. I mean, it's just crazy price action. I don't know what's happening, Pandas. But Pandas, let me just say this. Trade safe, everyone. Make sure you take advantage of BBM. Code BBM for 80% off Apex. I hope you guys are trading well. Remember, today is a full moon. Be careful out there. No news tomorrow. I mean, the big news I think personally is a Friday, but we do have news on Thursday as well. So, Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Make sure you guys stay safe. Stick to the plan. Thanks for the entertainment, guys. You guys are just ridiculous to chat. I've been reading the chat the whole time. I'm not going to lie. Without this community, trading days like this are very difficult. But with the community, man, it just makes it so much better. Pandas, I'll see you guys tomorrow. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.